Hey everybody, it's Jenny and I am back to share with you today my 2017 Classic Happy Planner. It is hard to believe we are already knocking on 2018's door, but I'm super excited to take a little quick look back at 2017. So this is This Is Your Year classic size Happy Planner. I did switch out the discs for silver ones because I love silver discs and the gold ones don't thrill me. So that's pretty much right this moment all you're looking at. On the inside cover, I did have a clear little pocket that I slipped cards in or stickers, those types of things. Some of these you'll note I did decorate and some I did not. Oh, I love you, black and gold. Perfect for the new year, am I right? And of course, rainbow, my eternal favorite. The Planner Society, so beautiful and lovely. I really did love that one. And then a whole sort of monochromatic blue layout. And so you have the mix of dark blue and aqua, and it was just really, really a fun one. Now, I absolutely loved this yellow and gray week. This was Scraptastic Club stickers and a few stamps as well, and so it just all came together so nicely. Now you can see I did not decorate this one for February. A lovely yellow and aqua look. This was also Scraptastic Club. These colors just really spoke to me. They're so beautiful. Obviously you can see I really like yellow. A Planner Society kit, super cute. A Valentine's kit from Scraptastic Club with also some fun little washi from Sweet Stamp Shop. This is so, so pretty. This is from Two Little Bees. I loved this kit. It was so beautiful. These florals and these colors, just gorgeous. Now I did decorate my March view, which is wonderful. Now, one of my favorites right here, Happy Planner, a little floral garden along the bottom. And I also used pages from the seasonal planner. The cover said Hello 2017. And so it's just got these really pretty green stripes that coordinate really well with my overall floral garden. Now, this was from Color Story and a little bit different for me. Another rainbow week, gotta have one. I love this washi tape along the side like this. You'll see me do it again because I really do love it very much. A super cute, lovely kit, and this is from Sticker Guru on Etsy. They had sent this one to me and I thought it was really pretty and fun. I love the pastel watercolors. Another Planner Society kit. And again, I did decorate this little view, so cute. And this one as well, which I don't usually do, making it kind of like a little scrapbook inside my planner. Oh, I love this. So fun and cheerful, and I love bright blue and I love bright yellow. This was a kit from Planning Butler on Etsy, and she has these great kits. It's just like one sheet that's like this big maybe, and it's got enough stickers for the week, but it's only like $3 or something, and then you can add other things from your stash as well. I really like that. Now again, this is a page from the Hello 2017 seasonal planner. And so is this one. And again, you have sort of that floral garden. This time I was sort of looking for like a trellis, like a trellis that had flowers draped over the top, and it went with the spring break. I love that. I'm going to have to do that again. Now again, you'll notice the Franken Plannering back to my This Is Your Year. I love the colors, and what I wanted to do here was take stickers that I wasn't sure I would actually use otherwise and put them all together in a really pretty cluster across the bottom. And it worked out great, and actually that's something that I probably might try again here soon because I don't have quite as busy of a schedule as I sometimes do right now in early January, and this is good for that. It really sort of fills it up, and I get to use stickers I wouldn't normally use in my Happy Planner layout. Black and gold, a big favorite of mine thanks to my alma mater, and again this is Planning Butler on Etsy. I filled it out, but I didn't decorate it. This is a really pretty kit from the Planner Society, and then some stamps from Studio L2E. This is so pretty. I know this was an Etsy sticker kit, but I don't remember the name of the shop offhand, but I really loved the blue background for these florals. I thought that was really, really cute. Another Rainbow Week, probably actually one of my favorites. It was a crazy, crazy, crazy weekend, but it was super fun, and I loved this big Seattle stamp right here. A kit from Scraptastic Club. Filled it out, didn't decorate it. That's all right, right? Okay, I loved this week. This was the inspiration for the whole week. So I used this color palette and this sort of whimsical feel to decorate for the whole week. And I just absolutely loved how it turned out with all of these Happy Planner stickers. And then you can see I also used stamps as well. Such a pretty one. I think this might be a Shepherd Supply Co. kit. I thought it was super cute, and I just love, love, love these colors. They're so summery and fun. A Mickey Mouse themed week, lots of stamping, and also just various items from my stash. Planner Society, very floral and summery. I can't believe we're into summer already. 4th of July, getting ready for. You can see I've used the big alphabet stickers and then this stamp from Sweet Stamp Shop, which was so fun. Whoopsie, didn't fill that guy out. Now I loved this take on the red, white, and blue, so obviously I used a little bit more turquoise instead of like a traditional blue, but I did add the blue in as well. And this was the Hello 2017 planner again, and I loved this planner. It was so cute, and I would have totally bought it again had it been offered. That same really beautiful pink and yellow and turquoise color palette with a little bit of stamping as well from Sweet Stamp Shop. I just loved the addition. It made it really playful and fun, but it wasn't overwhelming at all. Now this week, this was sort of the inspiration piece for this. However, it was a vacation week, so we didn't have a ton of stuff going on. So I used the yellow and the pink and the green all together and just really created something special. Now this was a Mommy Lay kit, and it was really just colorful and cheerful, and I loved it. And there was lots of playful elements that really went well in my Happy Planner. Now this is a divider from the Everyday Essentials, since we just started with that one now in July, I guess. And let's see, oh, I did decorate it. I added some stamping from Sweet Stamp Shop and washi as well. Now this was a kit from Planner Society, however, I did also add a couple of things like this right here from Scraptastic Club and Planner Junkie. And then this was kind of a messed up thing. I had screwed up something down here. I can't even remember what now, but I decided that instead of leaving it there, I was going to cover it up. And so I did an Instagram live with how I created this little cluster and turned a mistake into something that was much, much better. Now, this is genuinely one of my favorite floral layouts. I love these colors together. I loved the other ones too. They were really, really pretty, but this one, these colors genuinely speak to me, and I loved just the way it all came together. This happened to be my birthday week as well, and so it turned out great. This is the first day of school. So many beautiful colors. I don't even really know where to begin. This School is Cool, I remember, was my inspiration piece for the week, and then I used this book sticker as well to kind of tie it all together. This was a kit from Etsy. I can't remember the name of the shop, but it was really, really cute. Didn't fill this bad boy out. Okay, so this September, this is the planner from, let's see, Everyday Essentials. Whoop, we were taking a trip back to my hometown, and so I used this particular one for that because our colors are black and gold. This was from a Mambi kit, like a scrapbook kit that I got at Hobby Lobby. They're like $10, and you can obviously get them for 40% off. They come with stickers and patterned paper, and it was just super, super, super cute. So these two things right here were totally the inspiration for that, and just keeping it all together. It also worked out that my son's birthday was right here, and so this has that really cheerful celebratory vibe. Now you can also see that I did use some stamps, I'm sorry, from the Happy Planner as well. Another planning butler from Etsy kit. I love the color palette. This is a kit from the Planner Society, but some stamping too, you can see. Now this, I decided to go all pink. I wanted to try a monochromatic pink layout, and so I also added the stamping of these things right here, and I love it, and I'm definitely going to do it again because I haven't for a while, and I really did love that look. And there was other stamping on this particular layout as well. Oops, I did fill this one out, and I loved this one, especially with the stamping and the coloring. It was super fun. Rainbow Week, gotta have it because you know I love them. I love this color palette, and I know that for a lot of you this does not scream fall, but for me in Southern California, where it is still super hot at the beginning of October, it works just fine. I love the watercolor, it's so pretty. Now I just wanted to try something different, a little spin on the traditional Halloween colors, minus the orange, because of course there's no orange, with the purple, the green, and the black. And I just did something a little bit different. It's definitely different, I'm not gonna lie, but I liked it, so that's all that really matters, right? A pastel Halloween week. This is a stamp from Sweet Stamp Shop. I absolutely loved it. Actually, I think all of these stamps are from Sweet Stamp Shop, except for these alphas, which were from LA Studio. And again, I love this, the to-do, the appointments, and the weekend. And you'll see more of this coming this spring as my schedule definitely gets a lot busier. This was probably my favorite one of these this month. I loved it with the patterned paper, the rimmed tag, and then the chipboard leaf. I thought it turned out super pretty. It doesn't go color-wise, but overall feeling-wise it does. Now I did do the monthly view for this one, and I thought it was beautiful, and I just absolutely loved it. My Halloween week. First week of November, my son's birthday. This sticker was the inspiration for this, so I've stuck to this particular color palette, having a lot of sort of green-ish, turquoise-ish, and hot pink. It's very easy to do, and a few little Happy Planner stamps as well. This is a sampler sheet from the Planner Junkie, and I thought it was really pretty. It was a really nice color palette. It's very simple feeling. My Thanksgiving week, I loved this. I loved the really big impact of the give thanks. No decoration. Wah, wah. Winter Essentials from the Everyday Essentials, which I loved. I also decorated this one with sort of a December bucket list, and I thought that was really fun. This was a kit from Scraptastic Club. I loved how it really bridged the gap between Christmas and Thanksgiving with this non-traditional color palette, and then it also had all the little Christmas skies as well. This was a kit from Brianna Nicole, but I don't know if that's her name on Etsy. Anyway, I loved this kit. These decorative stickers were just like the cutest things ever as far as I was concerned. So love. This is Punky Bee Designs, also super cute. And this Doodlebug washi, which is just my very favorite. A good old Happy Planner layout. I love it, and I love it with the alphabet stickers as well. It just really makes things cheerful and fun, and I was able to bring all of the colors together. And then the last week of the year with some silver foil, because I do not have hardly any plans at all, but I was able to make it super festive and fun. And again, another one of those little clear pockets back here. I know you can't see those, but so anyway, that was a look at my 2017 in my classic Happy Planner. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box below. I will do my very best to get back to you. I try so hard to answer all of your questions and acknowledge your wonderful comments. If you are going to wonder about any of the stuff that I use in here, please let me know. I will do my very best. Try to be kind of specific. It's hard for me to discern if you don't, but make it a great day, guys.